Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Before you get started, hit the like button and please subscribe if you like the content.
Alright, today we're changing the battery on a 2016 Toyota Corolla. First you need a 10mm. I gotta unscrew this bolt. Can loosen this bolt, turn that up. This is also a 10mm rotor. Sometimes this thing gets so tight. Use a screwdriver to loosen that up a little bit. This is also a 10mm. Loosen that up a little bit. You just gotta work it out. Boom. And then all you need to do now is take the battery out. You see the leak down there? Battery is really dead.
Hello again. Thank you for listening to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to drop the video a like and subscribe to us if you're new. Drop us a comment and let us know what you think.